Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and shapes. First, color name. Orange color, purple color, red color, yellow color, pink color, and green color. And let's start. Draw the shapes. Circle. Which shape is circle? Heart. Which shape is heart? Triangle. Which shape is triangle? Star. Which shape is star? Which shape is star? Square. Which shape is square? Pentagon. Which shape is pentagon? Green color, circle. Green color, circle. Shape is circle. Red color, heart. Red color, heart. Which shape is heart? Yellow color, triangle. Yellow color, triangle. Pink color, star. Pink color, star. Which shape is star? Orange color, square. Orange color, square. Which shape is square? Purple color, pentagon. Purple color, pentagon. Which shape is pentagon? Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.